Renault Twizy. The Renault Twizzy is a compact electric quadricycle designed for city life. It's perfect for quick, efficient urban commuting. This vehicle can seat 2 passengers and comes in 2 engine options. The first is a 5 horsepower version with a top speed of 45 km per hour. The second, more powerful option, offers 17 horsepower and can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour. With a range of up to 120 km on a full charge, the Twizzy is ideal for short trips around town. Recharging is convenient too, taking just 3.5 hours from a standard electrical outlet. Its compact size is one of its biggest strengths. At just 2.34 meters long and 1.23 meters wide, it's easy to park and maneuver in tight spaces. The Twizy's unique elytra doors also add a futuristic touch while helping with easy entry and exit in crowded areas. Safety is a priority for the Twizzy. It has a strong tubular chassis for protection, disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and even a driver airbag. To top it off, there are plenty of customization options to make your Twizzy fit your style and driving needs. Nissus Gyroplane. The Nissus Gyroplane is a versatile and agile aircraft designed to make flying accessible for everyone. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store. Measuring 4,750 mm in length and 1,900 mm in width, this gyroplane is perfect for pilots who are always on the move. At the heart of the Nissus is a powerful Rotax 915S turbo engine that produces 141 horsepower. This engine delivers impressive performance, giving the aircraft a cruise speed of 130 to 160 km per hour, with a maximum speed reaching up to 195 km per hour. Takeoff and landing are incredibly easy. The Nissus only needs 200 meters to take off and 150 meters to land, making it both user-friendly and efficient. If you're an aspiring aviator or just love the idea of flying a personal aircraft, the Nissus Gyroplane is a fantastic choice. Avanir Tectus. The Avanir Tectus redefines mobility scooters with its advanced all-weather design and eye-catching look. One of its standout features is the fully enclosed cabin. This provides excellent protection against rain, snow, and wind, ensuring a comfortable ride all year round. Powered by a strong 2,000-watt motor, the Tectus reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its impressive range of 289 kilometers makes long-distance trips a breeze. The front opening cabin is not just for show, it adds a touch of luxury and makes getting in and out easy. Plus, the Tectus comes equipped with a safety lighting system, improving visibility whether you're on or off the road. With a weight of 225 kilograms, the Tectus has a sturdy build and a payload capacity of 175 kilograms, making it practical without sacrificing strength. Its spacious rear storage compartment also adds to its convenience, letting you carry what you need. Light spray, the future of sneaker production. What can you do in 3 minutes? Make coffee, check your emails, or leave a comment online. In the same time, the company On can create a complete sneaker with their revolutionary light spray technology. Here's how it works. A robotic arm spins a sneaker preform, complete with a sole, and covers it in a flexible material similar to spider silk. Each pair uses about 1.5 kilometers of this material, and the entire process is done in just 180 seconds. No glue, stitching, or laces required. Light spray is not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly, reducing waste and cutting down CO2 emissions. Even top athletes are noticing the difference. Kenyan runner Hellen Obiri wore a prototype of these sneakers when she won the Boston Marathon. But you don't need to be a pro to experience this innovation. The Cloudboom Stratus LS sneakers are available for $330, making this cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. ARC Aerosystems S5M Starling Cargo. Introducing the ARC Aerosystems S5M Starling Cargo, an advanced electric air cargo demonstrator that's pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics and flight control systems. This subscale model is key to refining new technologies and setting standards for future commercial aircraft. It's also helping in the certification process, making sure everything is ready for real-world use. The S5M can be flown manually or operated remotely, giving you flexibility in how it's controlled. It reaches an impressive cruise speed of 95.5 miles per hour, covers a range of 135 miles, and can fly at altitudes up to 9,843 feet. Despite its compact size, it can carry a payload of 132 pounds and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds. The aircraft features 6 propellers, including ducted fans and a pusher propeller, all powered by efficient battery packs. The sleek fuselage is made of carbon fiber composite, giving it strength and lightweight performance. It also includes tricycle-wheeled landing gear for smooth takeoffs and landings, while its distributed electric propulsion system enhances both safety and reliability. The Aerosystems S5M Starling cargo is a cutting-edge step forward in electric aviation, offering a glimpse into the future of cargo transport. Subsonic Personal Jet. Now's the time to fly. Sonix Aircraft, a U.S. company, is inviting aviation fans to check out their sleek personal jet, the Subsonics. Specializing in aircraft assembly kits, Sonix offers the Subsonics for around $137,000. While it's a big investment, you get a lot of bang for your buck. This jet cruises at an impressive 386 kilometers per hour and can travel up to 660 kilometers on a single flight. Plus, it's built for fun. The Subsonics is designed for aerobatic performance, handling G-forces from -3 to +6, making it a thrill for anyone who loves flying. Whether you're an experienced pilot or someone who's passionate about aviation, this little jet offers an exciting way to take to the skies. Now is the perfect time to consider owning your very own personal jet. De Havilland DHC2 Beaver. The de Havilland DHC2 Beaver is a true icon in the world of aviation. Known for its impressive short takeoff and landing capabilities, this bush plane has proven its worth in tough conditions. At its heart is a powerful 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney R985 Wasp Junior radial engine. This engine gives the Beaver the strength to tackle various roles, from carrying cargo and passengers to crop dusting and aerial top dressing. One of the Beaver's standout features is its versatility. It can handle different terrains with ease, and with floats, it can even land on water. Whether it's flying through rough weather or touching down in remote areas, the Beaver gets the job done. With a payload capacity of nearly 2,000 pounds, this plane is built for tough tasks. It's reliable, durable, and can keep going when others can't. Inside, the Beaver offers plenty of space, making it a great choice for transporting goods or people in challenging environments. Its unmatched performance and rugged design have earned the de Havilland DHC2 Beaver the reputation of being one of the best bush planes ever built. ASTSTREAM Move. Revolutionizing your pool experience. Introducing the ASTSTREAM Move, a groundbreaking wireless swimming machine that transforms any pool into a top-tier training facility. No major renovations needed. Just plug it in and start swimming. This compact device delivers powerful, stable, and energy-efficient performance. Whether you're a competitive swimmer or someone who enjoys the occasional swim, the ASTSTREAM Move can meet your needs. One of the best features is its adjustable current. This allows you to customize the flow, making it perfect for a range of activities. From intense swim workouts to leisurely laps or even aqua jogging, this device adapts to your fitness level and goals. The ASTSTREAM Move is designed to improve your swimming technique, boost physical fitness, and build endurance. It's ideal for athletes looking to train at home and for casual swimmers who want to enhance their swimming experience. But it's not just for swimmers. Its versatility also makes it perfect for family use. It's great for physical therapy routines or even just fun, relaxing swims. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a 25-meter swimming pool right in your own backyard with the ASTSTREAM Move. Whether you're training, rehabilitating, or just having fun, this device offers everything you need for a complete pool experience. Water walkers, a fun way to walk on water. Water walkers are large inflatable balls that let you walk, run, or float on water, turning the ordinary into an extraordinary experience. Crafted from durable PVC or TPU materials, These clear spheres can zip you around at speeds up to 5 miles per hour. Each ride lasts about 20 to 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the fun while ensuring you stay well ventilated. With a price tag of around $500, water walkers have become a hit at amusement parks, events, and even for personal use. The sensation of walking on water inside one of these balls is not only thrilling but also feels a bit surreal, making it a standout activity in water-based entertainment. Their unique design and the sheer joy they bring make water walkers a must-try for anyone wanting to add some extra fun to their water adventures. Fuell Fllow. Introducing the Fuell Fllow, an urban electric motorcycle that's built for power, performance, and convenience. Priced at $10,495, this innovative ride is perfect for city commuters looking for both speed and range. With a range of over 150 miles, the Fllow's 10 kilowatt-hour battery ensures long commutes are no problem. And its impressive 750 Nm of torque, combined with a 35 kilowatt motor, gives you a thrilling riding experience. The Fllow can reach speeds of over 85 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Perfect for those quick accelerations in busy city traffic. Charging is fast and convenient, too. You can fully charge the bike in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for riders with a busy schedule. Now, let's talk safety. The Fllow is packed with features like blind spot detection, intelligent ABS, and traction control. These ensure a safer, smoother ride even in unpredictable traffic. A connected dashboard keeps you informed while riding, and the innovative wheel motor design optimizes both weight distribution and performance. One standout feature is the advanced regenerative braking system. This helps recharge the battery as you ride, extending your range and efficiency. You'll also appreciate the 50 liters of integrated storage, perfect for storing your gear or essentials. The Fuell Fllow offers 2 riding modes: urban for daily commuting and audacious for when you want a little extra power. In short, the Fuell Fllow is a great balance of speed, safety, and convenience, making it a smart choice for modern city riders. Jetpack Speeder, the world's first flying motorcycle. The Jetpack Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a revolutionary flying motorcycle that could transform the way we travel. Picture a motorcycle that takes to the skies. That's the Speeder. It's powered by 8 small jet engines, allowing it to fly at incredible speeds. Despite its lightweight design of just 300 pounds, the Speeder can carry up to 600 pounds of cargo, showcasing its impressive engineering. This isn't just a concept. It's a fully operational prototype currently undergoing testing. It's expected to receive FAA certification soon, making this futuristic vision a reality. The Speeder is capable of cruising at 60 miles per hour for up to 30 minutes. A military version can reach up to 400 miles per hour at 100 feet above the ground, making it difficult to target. Priced at $381,000, the Jetpack Speeder is now available for pre-order, marking the dawn of personal flying vehicles. Inmotion V14 Adventure. Introducing the Inmotion V14 Adventure, a top-tier electric unicycle designed for thrill-seekers and off-road enthusiasts. With a price tag of $3,299, this unicycle is built to handle the toughest terrains. The V14 Adventure packs a punch with its 4,000-watt rated motor and a 9,000-watt peak output. This motor delivers 2,000 Nm of torque and 850 N of wheel tractive force, giving you the power to conquer challenging trails and rough surfaces. It has an impressive top speed of 70 km per hour, but for safety, it's limited to 25 km per hour. On a single charge, the 2,400 watt-hours battery can take you up to 120 kilometers. And when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long. Thanks to its fast charging technology, the battery can be fully charged in just 1 hour. One of its standout features is the dual suspension system. With 85 mm of suspension travel, you'll enjoy smooth, controlled rides even on bumpy terrain. The 3 to 12-inch off-road tires provide excellent grip, while the 50 degrees climbing angle lets you take on steep slopes with ease. For performance stability, the V14 Adventure uses the Raptor controller for smooth power delivery. Whether you're riding in rain or through puddles, you're covered with IPX6 wheel and IPX7 battery water resistance. Additional features like adjustable headlights, power pads, and a trolley handle make this unicycle even more practical for adventurous riders. If you're looking for a robust and powerful electric unicycle to explore the outdoors, the Inmotion V14 Adventure is a solid choice. H2O Salamander, the future of sustainable transportation. Introducing the H2O Salamander, an amphibious tricycle that's changing the game in eco-friendly transport. Designed to navigate both land and water with ease, this innovative vehicle is perfect for cities that experience frequent flooding. The Salamander effortlessly transitions between road and water without any manual adjustments, thanks to its hybrid engine that runs on both gasoline and electricity. With speeds of up to 6 miles per hour on water and 37 miles per hour on land, the H2O Salamander is built for everyday convenience. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring flooded urban areas, this vehicle ensures you get where you need to go with minimal environmental impact. Although the pricing hasn't been announced yet, the Salamander is paving the way for a new era of sustainable, resilient urban transportation.